Hello everyone. So today I'll be doing unboxing of the Pioneer mono amp. So I've bought this amplifier recently and I haven't installed it. So this is one channel 1600 watt max amplifier, and it also comes with a bass control knob, and the model number is D8701 Pioneer. So let's unbox it and I'll show you its content. So I have unboxed it and this is how the amplifier looks, and this amplifier is quite bit heavy. So to the right hand side uh, there are two 40 ampere fuse and power input. This is the speaker output, and to the left hand side this is the remote base control connection, and then we have gain and frequency. Then we have input of the connection that is coming from the music system as well as output, and this is the power indicator. So basically all the D class amplifier that are produced by Pioneer will by default get the bass control knob. So I'll just show you what all the things are available in the box. So this is the bass control knob. So we can control it as min to max with help of this. This also comes with the box. The next content that we have is the bass control wire. So this is like a old telephone wire, but yes, this is used. Then we have some screws to install the amplifier, and we have some paperwork on installation guide, how to install it, and the warranty card that I've got it. So far I feel this is a beast, so I'll pair it with the best woofer. I'll probably go for Pioneer 1600 watt woofer, and once I'll purchase it I'll do the unboxing of the same, and once this is installed in my new car I'll definitely provide the output how this beast runs. So thank you for watching my video.